Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. I'm Emmanuel, the creator and owner of Ultimate Gardening. So today in this exciting spotting video, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a discount code I got from the Gardzen Company that they wanted to give me for you guys for reaching 200 subscribers. So a few weeks ago, I reached 200 subscribers. And before anything, I want to give a huge shout out to Kaye from the Late Bloomer Garden Show, because she's the whole reason why we hit 200 subscribers. So her channel link will pop up right here. So please guys, make sure to go check her out and show her some support. And her recent video will pop up here as well. So please go show some support and like her videos and subscribe. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So guys, the code is Gardens10. The code will pop up on the screen for you guys to check out. I highly recommend the code in case you want to save a little bit of money when you purchase their items. So I highly recommend the company. Along in the screen, it will also pop up the expiration date so you can have a notice of how long you have to use the code. So once more, huge shout out to the Gardzen Company for making this video possible. Their links will be down below, as well as Kaye's links. I highly recommend both of them. Go show them some support, subscribe, and follow Kaye, and also follow the Gardzen Company. So if you would like to see the recent video I did with them, it'll pop up on the screen for you guys to check out. Please guys, go check it out and give me a like. And so, yeah, that's it for this exciting spotting video. Let's go ahead and wrap this video up. So guys, that's the end for this exciting spotting video. Once more, a huge shout out to the Gardzen Company for making this video possible. Once more, their links will be down below in the description box below. So I highly recommend them. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting spotting video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Once more, a huge shout out to the Gardzen Company, and their links will be down below for you to check out. Grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye, guys.